Phones are increasingly vital in life. You don't need prolonged usage. Instead, optimize your phone's potential, and that is our intention. Introducing MOGICS Ring System. MOGICS Ring is an aluminum alloy sheet with a thickness of only 1.7 millimeters. Utilizing neodymium magnets and concealed fasteners, the MOGICS Ring can connect various accessories to a phone, expanding functionalities through magnets, embedment, rotational lock, 360-degree rotation, auto lock, and more. MOGICS Ring utilizes nano-suction tape, allowing it to stick to the smooth surface of a phone or a phone case. Its unique design enhances the magnetic force, allowing adherence onto certain metal surfaces, or transform the phone into a screen using the included magnetic ring in any desired situation. And now we will share 4 products designed especially for the MOGICS Ring, giving you a better understanding of the application. Grabber. This is a flexible ring buckle. It serves as a phone stand, attaches to any lanyard that you can wear, and it can also be secured to a backpack strap for photography. With dual rings, it offers various phone fixation methods, catering to all sorts of unique usage. Finder. A versatile multi-layered phone stand that quickly and securely holds your phone. It features a flexible and adjustable lens bracket, which, when combined with a stand, allows your phone to be securely attached to a professional tripod. You will achieve versatile shooting angles with Finder, unlocking a realm of new possibilities. Traveler. Comes with a Type-C charging cable and 3 adapters, offering 6 types of charging options neatly packed in a small round case. The data cable also doubles as a wrist strap, which frees up your hands. And just flip the lid open to transform it into a stand, which also offers stable wireless charging capabilities. Voyager, a universal phone mount for cars, motorcycles, and bicycles. It offers automatic magnetic snap and charging in an instant, providing a more stable connection than typical magnetic mounts. It allows for infinite adjustments between landscape and portrait orientations. Voyager can be easily detached and switched between 3 different packages for installation, making it an indispensable companion during your journeys. These are just a few examples of how you can use the MOGICS Ring. We'd love to hear from you, our backers, about your needs, and we will continue to develop new accessories for you. Also, if any designers out there are inspired to create new products based on the MOGICS Ring or the MOGICS system, feel free to leave a comment and let us know.